Get this amazing reward for free today. All you need to do, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also make sure guys you check UFO187 English Masterclass for more interesting content and more interesting guides. Okay guys, just open your Discord on your mobile. You will see like this. Just click here down on you, click one more time and move here down to quests. Scroll down on quests and you will see here World of Tanks BLITZ quest. Claim a T-34S tank and Camo bundle. Watch the World of Tanks BLITZ trailer to win this tank for free. Just go here accept quest and watch this trailer to end. You will see down your progress is going. Just watch this trailer to end. After watching this trailer, you will see your reward is ready. Just click here claim reward. Verify here like me and you will get redeem reward code. As you can see, log in Warwing Gaming ID official site, go to activate code, input code and press redeem and get this reward for free. And that's it all guys for this video, how to get cool Discord reward tank in World of Tanks. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.